Did you know your keyboard's layout was designed to solve a 19th century problem? Time for a history lesson. Back in 1874, the Sholes and Glidden typewriter hit the market as the first commercially successful typewriter. And guess what? It featured the same QWERTY layout you're using today. Invented by Christopher Latham Sholes, Carlos Glidden and Samuel Soule, the QWERTY keyboard wasn't just a random arrangement. It was designed to improve typing speed and reduce jamming. By placing commonly used letter pairs apart, the design minimized those pesky mechanical jams. Though it was made for mechanical efficiency, not speed, the QWERTY layout became the standard. And over a century later, it's still the most widely used keyboard layout in the world. For more cool STEM facts and trivia, follow Zengit. Stay updated and smart.